11th pre-competitive skill test, but questions are being raised about his claim, as it implies foreknowledge that president would be killed, leading to a presidential election, and his attendance in the inauguration, as well as certainty on where he would be staying during his time in Tehran. Full stop. What kind of response Iran and its allies are widely expected to respond militarily to the killings blamed on Israel, which has claimed responsibility only for his death, though experts say the retaliation would be measured to avoid a wider conflagration. Full stop. Iranian analyst told AFP that a stronger response is expected from Tehran than during its last direct face-off with Israel in April. Full stop. Cardiff University said Iran and Hezbollah will not want to play into Netanyahu's hands and give him the bait or ammunition he needs to drag the US into a war. Full stop. New paragraph. They will more than likely try to avert a war while also strongly deterring Israel from continuing with this new policy, this targeted shock and awe. Full stop. For its part, the White House said the two killings hours apart don't help regional tensions, though National Security Council spokesman said that Washington saw no signs that an escalation is imminent. Full stop. The threat of a flare up in the Middle East is giving many foreign capitals sleepless nights. Full stop. While calling the killing of him a barbaric act that was a flagrant violation of international laws and rules, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said Netanyahu was out to destroy Palestine. Full stop. New paragraph. He was speaking at a consultative meeting of the allied parties on the deteriorating situation in Palestine, where a joint declaration was made that the nation would observe a day of mourning on today in memory of the slain Hamas leader. Full stop. The killing of Hania, who was Hamas chief negotiator in truce talks, has all but derailed any chance of peace in Gaza. Full stop. US Secretary of State on Thursday urged all parties in the Middle East to stop escalatory actions and achieve a ceasefire in Gaza. Full stop. He warned the Middle East was on a path toward more conflict, more violence, more suffering, more insecurity, and it is crucial that we break this cycle. Full stop.